Hello. So this is a GATE question from 2017 analog electronics related to operational amplifiers frequency response topic. So let's see the question. The operational amplifier circuit as shown in figure has a open loop gain equal to 10 power 5 and cutoff frequency is 8 Hz. And what is the value of gain at 15 kilohertz? So gain means output by input. At 15 kilohertz, what is the gain you have to finding out from this circuit. So for a given circuit, is it an inverting amplifier or non-inverting amplifier? First you have to identify it. So the input signal you are applying across the non-inverting terminal. So this is a non-inverting circuit. Is it a practical ideal amplifier or a practical amplifier? It is a practical amplifier. Means an ideal amplifier, the AOL is infinity, but here the open loop gain is 10 power 5, even though it is a larger gain, but it is a practical amplifier. Okay, from a given data, AOL is 10 power 5 at a cutoff frequency of 8 Hz. So when the frequency is 8 Hz with this gain, it is a low pass filter. And what is the formula? The gain V0 by Vin at 15 kilohertz we have to find out from the circuit. So this is a non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier, for a closed loop gain of non-inverting amplifier, the practical circuit AF equal to 1 plus RF by R1. So what is the closed loop gain for a non-inverting circuit is, from this formula we'll get it 80. So from the frequency response operational amplifier circuit, you have to remember these two formulas. The frequency response of a low pass filter, the gain of the low pass filter equal to AV equal to midband gain by square root of 1 plus F by bandwidth. So here the one important rule is the gain bandwidth product for a closed loop system is equal to gain bandwidth product of a open loop system. So open loop system, what is the gain from a given problem? 10 power 5. What is the frequency for open loop system? That is 8. So what is the gain from a practical closed loop gain is 80. So from this, the closed loop bandwidth gain is 10 power 5. Okay. So that value you have to substitute here. So this is midband gain, that is from the closed loop gain it is 80 by square root of 1 plus. At what frequency you have to find out the gain is 15 kilohertz. At 15 kilohertz the bandwidth of a closed loop system is 10 kilohertz. So substitute these values. So what is the gain for 15 kilohertz is 44.4. So the right answer for this question is 44.4. So if you plot a frequency response characteristics, the maximum gain is 80, the midband gain is 80. So here the bandwidth at 10 kilohertz, that is 3 dB point is 80 by root 2. So at 15 kilohertz the gain for this circuit is 44.4. So this is the way you have to solve the